and you'll see here on the main screen, you can do the fault code reading, clear the faults, and access live monitoring. On the fault code reading side, you'll find the number on the fault, the description on that fault, and the freeze frame data. That means you'll be able to see when the fault happened and if it's currently active, the timing too. Sometimes, depending on the model, on the equipment, and the coverage we have, you will find more information on the fault directly. So let's say if it's a sensor issue, it will show you here, right, the part takes you right directly to the wiring diagram too. And also you will find troubleshooting information on the faults directly. Now you can also clear the faults and do a live recording up to 90 minutes. So basically here what you do is select the data that you want to measure. We're going to select those. And here you see the faults showing up. And here you have, this was not a good one. And you have also the live measurements. The battery voltage example. So here you have the live measurements, and you can do this preview. You can also add comments here, and then once we finish, you'll be able to play it, the recording, being able to see the faults and also the live measurements over here. You can check it as a graph or as the other view we had. You do have more special functions available. For example, here you find the maintenance options. You can do a particulate filter regen and check more on the after treatment system. This is an explanation of what's going to happen on the process, and you have the pre-initial conditions and the timing it will take. Here you can see the values over here on the temperature, and there's the process of the regen. There you have, and it's in process. You can see here the values. Here an overview of the exhaust gas system. And now the process is completed. So at the end, you'll get basically like a report of how the current values and everything. Here's the wiring diagrams preview. So it doesn't matter which engine, you're gonna be able to check information depending on the coverage on that. Here you can do a preview on the part. You'll find the location on the part. If available, it will give you that. Here you can set parameters like modify the hydraulic system, and you can change the maximum speed, the delay times, you can also modify the transmission side on the Hyster models. Here you can modify the acceleration, deceleration, maximum speed, brake application pressure, and also the configuration on the machine. Some of the settings you can change on it would be the economic mode, power mode, and the work lights. Here you do have the password management on Heister and Yale, and there you can clear the password, modify, and even edit depending on the user. So yeah. All of this information is going to save up here on the GRP, which is a system inside the software. And it's an inventory of all your equipment. So here you have all the reports, and you have the vehicle list and the customer list if it's a service company. At the end on any diagnostics, you'll be able to get this final report. So it gives you all the details on everything you did, if you did the full code rating, if you cleared them, if you did a regen, like the final results. And on that, you can add comments over here, even recording or also pricing.
If you have any questions, just get in touch with us here at Mechnician. You can reach us at 888-64-2240 or www.mechnician.com. Thank you very much.